So it's a late night for me. It's about 9:30 p.m. I just got back to the office, had dinner with my family, and got the kids to bed. Spent some time with my wife, and um, this is the part I think a lot of people don't see about their lawyers. So tomorrow I have a pretty important brief due. It actually. It's responding or opposing motions brought to upset a large jury verdict I got in Winona County, Minnesota earlier this year. And the side that we sued, who lost, is trying to get the judge to overturn the jury verdict. I'm pretty optimistic and confident in our position. I think we tried a good case. I think the evidence really supported the verdict. Had some complicated procedural issues to it that sort of seeped over into the trial, and so they're raising some of those issues again. But it's a motion that I've known about for a while, and I've kind of picked away at. I had a law student who is working for us for the summer do some research in and around finals to kind of help prep me to respond to their arguments. But at the end of the day, for a lot of us, it comes crunch time and the deadline's tomorrow, and I got to get it done. I spent quite a bit of time today, made a lot of progress on it, and probably could get up in the morning and crank it out during the day. But I tend to sleep better if I know I've got, let's see, if I get 2 or 3 hours worth of work in tonight. Yeah, it'll be a late night, but it's quiet here. There's no distractions, and if I can get a few hours, even 2 hours of work tonight, give me a head start for tomorrow. I'm sure I'll still be running up until the end, trying to get that done, get it filed with the court. But this is just part of the job sometimes, especially if you do litigation, you do trial work, whether it's trial prep, motions, depositions, post-trial motions such as this. Those are things you have to do. And this is kind of the one last big thing I need to check off the list before I leave in 3 days to take the family on kind of a once-in-a-lifetime trip to go to Disney and visit our oldest son. And so it's going to be great. I've never taken a vacation this long since in almost 20 years I've been practicing. I'm going to quote-unquote unplug for this, which means I plan to not check my work email. I've got staff doing that while I'm gone. I plan to just enjoy and relax, spend time with my family, and think about the things that I want to think about. Maybe I'll think about my business, maybe I'll think about some goals, but only if I want to, not because I have to. And I may just spend a lot of time sitting on the beach, playing in the sand with the kids and visiting the sites, and that's okay too. But before I can leave, I got to get this major project done. So that's tonight's project until either I reach a stopping point or I start to fall asleep, and then I'll head home and I'll get up early in the morning and we'll do it all over again.